Hi guys, welcome to Wendy Styles. Please guys, I want you guys to check out this beautiful short natural haircut that plays nicely with a natural wave. One thing about the style is that it's a hairstyle that really make your hair looks great. If you're searching for something light or something that is tidy and easy to go out gracefully, this is a style for you, because you can see the coils can do magic, and this style will help keep your hair neat without losing bounce, and it has those lifts and that casual polish for any beautiful woman with natural wave, or women that really want to use that coily one occasionally. This haircut, you can see it works best for any face shape, which makes it that low wigs update. One thing I love about the style is that it really draws attention to your eyes and to your cheekbones. But if you want that extra edge, you can add this curly undercut, because it's particularly freeing for women who've had enough of long upkeep. So I love the styles because they are great. You can try some color highlight, because color doesn't stop being fun at 70, whether you choose to accentuate your savers or you're even aging for something bolder. There's a shade out there to light up your look and make it look so great. So let me let you guys know, please have out the rest of the styles we have. Please don't forget to subscribe if it's the first time here, and when the styles, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. To always be notified whenever we upload a new video. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload.